In today's video, I am going to make a bigger version of this. This is what you call charcuterie. What is charcuterie? Charcuterie is an art of assembling cheese, crackers, nuts, fruits on the platter. Without further ado, we are going to start it now. Choose the cheeses of your choice. It's up to you whether you like it cubed, rectangle, square, triangles. It's always fun to have those textures and colors and shapes on the board. This one is the smoked Gouda. The triangle one or the square one is the Havarti, and the cubes are the Colby cheese, and this one is the bacon horseradish cheese. It's so delicious. Position the little containers that you're gonna use for the dipping sauce and jams or some nuts. I'm using apricot jam on the red little container, and now you can use olives, black olives, green olives. Place all your cheeses on the spots that you would like to put them on. And then put your cured meat. These are the Black Forest ham, pepperoni, sliced pepperoni, and now I'm placing the dry copa. It's an antipasto for a Beretta brand. And the Italian dry salami, you can get them from the store in a packet. Then place all the crackers that you like. Then the fruits of your choice. Blueberries, strawberries, you can even use kiwi, sliced kiwi, mangoes, dried apricots, grapes. Then fill all the gaps with all the nuts and candies and treats. And our charcuterie board is done. And that is how easy to make this charcuterie board. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you like and you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, hit the like button and the notification bell so that you are notified every time I put a new video. I put videos usually on the weekends. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!